Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G200 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find system. Now we have to tap on date and time here, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize, but first of all we have to turn off the network provided time and time zone in order to customize it manually. So simply tap on those switchers, and as you can see the options are active. So let's begin with the date, and from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use, for example this one. Let's pick the time also, and from the clock just set the time you want to use, for example 9 o'clock. Now let's tap on the time zone, pick the region, and as you can see here we've got full list of all available ones. So all we have to do is to simply find the one you would like to set and tap on this one. This one, and as you can see it has been immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Under it we've got also the section with the time format. So right now we are using local default, but we can set it manually also. So right now we've got 24-hour format, but after tapping on this switcher we can set 12-hour format, so it's up to you. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course we can get back to all previous settings, just tap on those switchers, and actually that's all. So this is how to customize the date and time in your MOTOROLA Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.